guys, welcome back to 𝐿 Chinese. 我係你老師 Gloria. Long time no see. 我係咪肥咗啊? It's really cold here, so that's why I will not record video a lot. So last time we have already learned 20 verbs that you have to know as a beginner. And you guys love it a lot. So today we are going to learn 20 adjectives that you have to know as a beginner. The first one is the most frequent adjective that you might use it every day. 靚 pretty, like 靚女 靚姨 靚姐 alright 靚仔. So when we compliment a girl on her clothes, then we could say 你件衫好靚啊，喺邊買㗎？你件衫好靚啊，喺邊買㗎？你 you 件 is the measure word for clothes. 衫 clothes 好靚啊 very pretty. 喺邊買㗎？喺邊 where 買 buy 㗎？你件衫好靚啊，喺邊買㗎？ Your clothes is pretty. Where did you buy it? Number 2, the opposite word of 靚 is 樣衰 So 樣 literally means like appearance. 衰 bad. 樣衰 ugly. But 樣衰 also have the meaning of embarrassing. For example, when you fall down to the floor, it's embarrassing. 好樣衰, right? So when you mistook somebody for another person, then you could say 我今朝認錯人啦，好樣衰啊！我今朝認錯人啦，好樣衰啊！I 今朝 this morning 認錯人 mistook a person to someone else. 認 recognize 錯 wrong 人 person 認錯人 mistake a person for someone else. 我今朝認錯人啦，好樣衰啊！ I mistook a person for someone else. So embarrassing. Number 3, go. So some of my friends will think I'm tall according to my posts on IG, but actually I'm not. So I would like to say 其實我唔係好高咋，其實我唔係好高咋，其實 actually 我 I 唔係 not 好高 very tall. 其實我唔係好高咋，其實我唔係好高咋。Actually, I'm not that tall. Number 4, short. 矮 short, but I'm not very short as well. So I would like to say 但係我唔算好矮，但係我唔算好矮，但係 but 我 I 唔算 not count 好矮 very short, but I'm not that short 但係我唔算好矮。Number 5,肥 fat. I hate to be fat actually. I would like to say 我咁着好肥啊，我咁着好肥啊，我 I 咁着 wear in this way 好肥啊 very fat. I look fat when dressing in this way. Number 6, the opposite of 肥 is 瘦 We do learn this one 瘦猛猛 on this video. 瘦 means slim, thin, and skinny. For example, 佢瘦到得棚骨，she 瘦 thin 到 like reach to 得棚骨得 only have 棚骨 棚 is like the measure word for skeleton 骨 skeleton 佢瘦到得棚骨 she is so skinny. Number 7, soft sexy. So when you go to po bar at night, right? So you will find that lots of girls are sexy. So you could say 條女好索啊，條女好索啊，索 sexy. Before it's about our appearance, now it's about our age. 老 old. 我老啦，啲記性越嚟越差。 我老啦，啲記性越嚟越差。老 old 啲記性 the memory 越嚟越差，越嚟越 more and more 差 bad 我老啦，啲記性越嚟越差。I'm so old now. My memory is getting worse. Number 9. The opposite of low is 後生 So 後 literally means like behind. 生 deliver behind. 後生我後生嗰陣天不怕地不怕。我後生嗰陣天不怕地不怕。So I 後生 young 嗰陣 at that time 天不怕地不怕。天 heaven sky 不怕 don't scare 地 ground 不怕 not fear So 天不怕地不怕 So I'm not afraid of the heaven and not afraid of the ground 我後生嗰陣天不怕地不怕 When I was young, there was nothing to be afraid of. Okay, so now let's talk about our size. Number 10, 大隻 strong, big. When you go to do some exercise, we might see that the trainer, they are quite strong, right? So we could like to say, 呢個教練好大隻啊。呢個教練好大隻啊。呢個 this 教練 trainer 好大隻啊。It's very strong. 呢個教練好大隻啊。The trainer is very strong. Number 11, 細 So 細 has two meaning. First is in a small size. 呢隻狗仔好細隻，好得意啊。呢隻狗仔好細隻，好得意啊。呢隻狗仔 this dog 好細隻，it's very small 好得意啊 very cute 呢隻狗仔好細隻，好得意啊 This dog is small and cute. What's more, the size could also be used to describe age. For example, 細妹 young sister 細佬 young brother. Okay, after talk about the size, so we could talk about quantity. 多 many. For example, 我希望有好多錢啦。我希望有好多錢啦。I 希望 wish 有 have 好多 lots of 錢 money。我希望有好多錢啦。I wish I have lots of money. I know it won't happen. So opposite of 多 will be 少。So be careful. This 少 is different from this 少. This 少 is quantity. It means few, less. While this one 少 it means small. It will be written language. We could say 好少人會嚟呢度玩。好少人會嚟呢度玩。好少人 few people will 嚟呢度 come here 玩 to play 好少人會嚟呢度玩 few people will visit here. Number 14. Let's talk about the price. 貴 expensive 呢部電話有啲貴，我買唔起啊。呢部電話有啲貴，我買唔起啊。呢部電話 this mobile phone 有啲 a little bit 貴 expensive 呢部電話有啲貴啊。This mobile phone is a little bit expensive 我買唔起啊。I can't afford it. Opposite words of 貴 is 平 cheap 平啲得唔得啊？平啲 cheaper 得唔得？Could it 平啲得唔得啊？ Could it be cheaper? Number 16. Let's learn a word that will be very useful for your Cantonese class. 啱 Correct. Lots of students, they always make mistake when they learn language. Of course, we can understand. So when you are not sure if you have made a mistake, then you can ask your teacher in this way. 我咁講啱唔啱啊？我咁講啱唔啱啊？我 I 咁講 talking in this way, saying in this way 啱唔啱？啱唔啱？ Is it right? Is it correct? 我咁講啱唔啱啊？ Am I saying this right? And next one, it will be 錯 wrong. So when you did something wrong and want to apologize to your girlfriend, you would like to say 我做錯咗啦，原諒我啦。我做錯咗啦，原諒我啦。我 I 做錯 do something wrong， 原諒我啦，原諒我 forgive me。我做錯咗啦，原諒我啦。I did something wrong. Please forgive me. Number 18. 忙 busy. When you're too busy to talk with your friend, so you could say 我而家有啲忙，一陣再同你傾啦。我而家有啲忙，一陣再同你傾啦。我 I 而家 now 有啲 a little bit 忙 busy。我而家有啲忙 I'm a little bit busy now。一陣 later 同你 with you 傾 talk chat。我而家有啲忙，一陣再同你傾啦。I'm a little bit busy. Chat with you later. Number 19. 得閒 free. So if you want to ask a girl out, you would like to use this sentence. 你今晚得唔得閒啊？你今晚得唔得閒啊？你 you 今晚 tonight 得唔得閒 Are you free？ 你今晚得唔得閒啊？ Are you free tonight? Number 20 is the last word that is very important for me. That will be 凍 cold. I hate 凍 a lot. I would like to say 呢排好凍啊，我唔想喐啊。呢排好凍啊，我唔想喐啊。呢排 recently 好凍 very cold。我 I 唔想 don't want 喐 it means like move 喐。呢排好凍啊，我唔想喐啊。呢排好凍啊，我唔想喐啊。It's quite cold recently. I don't want to move. So number 21, the opposite of 凍 it will be 暖 warm. 今日出咗太陽，好暖啊。今日出咗太陽，好暖啊。今日 today 出咗太陽 is sunny， 好暖 is very warm。今日出咗太陽啊，好暖啊。Today is sunny, it's quite warm. Number 22, 熱 hot. So when you give a hot water to someone, you would like to say 睇熱啊。睇 be caution, be careful. 熱 hot, caution hot. 睇熱啊。Okay, that is what we learned today. What? You're still here? Are you waiting for me to promote myself? Okay, if you liked this video, please leave me a comment and like this video. And if you would like to support me, and you could go to my Patreon page and buy me a bubble tea. See you next time. Bye bye.